can I do my own estate plan online? My answer is no, I would not recommend it. It's a good question. There are a lot of websites out there, LegalZoom, other online places you can go to do various legal things. The problem with doing estate planning online is that it's really, really easy to mess it up. It's kind of a misconception that, you know, if you don't have that many assets, you don't have that complicated of a life, that it can't be that difficult to plan for your estate. It actually gets pretty complicated pretty quickly, and even the smallest omission or error can end up making a really big mess with an estate plan. And it's just not something that you want to mess up. It's not something that you want to make any mistakes with, because the repercussions can be really, really drastic. Most people go online wanting to do an estate plan because they're trying to save money. Unfortunately, what ends up happening most of the time is you'll just have to pay a lawyer later on to fix things, and you might actually make a lot of mistakes and do a lot of damage in the meantime. So my recommendation would be to work with a lawyer, to speak with someone who you can actually talk to, who can answer your questions. A lawyer is very likely going to bring up things that you didn't realize mattered, you didn't think would be that big of a deal, but they actually are, and vice versa. Things that you think matter a lot or might be more simple than you realize. And an online program just isn't going to catch all of the nuances that can occur in estate planning. So I really wouldn't recommend it. I understand wanting to keep fees down and things like that. It's an expense. It's an investment. Estate planning is. Having said that, I think you'll actually be better cost-wise in the long run if you invest in a proper estate plan from the get-go, rather than doing one yourself that probably isn't going to work, and you'll probably just have to pay someone to have it fixed later on.